Hi, it's Cheryl here today. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate you coming back. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm doing a quick Dollar Tree haul. This is some stuff that I had left out on my previous video. So I wanted to quickly share that with you because I don't remember quite what's in it. But I know there's one thing in there I want to use for some decorations. So let's get started. Okay, I am back. Nothing much is going on around here. You know, I'm still popping chicken grease and working outside. And, you know, I do a lot of things, different type of things on my channel. If you like one thing more than the other, let me know. I may try to kind of pare down. I just like to show you everything that I do around here. And that's why I named my channel Around the House. But it seems like sometimes I'll do more than one thing than the other. Like right now I'm doing a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. That's because I'm burned out a little bit from all my Christmas decorating, so I'm slowly doing spring, and I may bypass Valentine's altogether. But anyway, let's get into this haul. This is 7.5 ounce Nature's House salted dry roasted peanuts. So that's always a good snack. It's probably better to eat that at night than sugar. And someone else hauled this. I've never tried it, but I thought I'd give it a try. It's 32 ounces, chlorine free. It's LA's Totally Awesome Oxygen Orange Base Cleaner. And it's 100% more bonus pack. So I picked that up. So I will let you know how that works. I'll probably try that on. Probably mainly on white clothes. I'm sorry about sniffling. My sinuses bothering me this morning. Okay, this looks like it's spring things. And somebody else hauled these and I saw them and I had to pick them up because, you know, my store normally doesn't have anything new. But they had this. This is from the Floral Garden. This is a moss sheet. But look. This is going to be cute. I'm going to try to do something on my spring table with this for Easter in spring. It's 6.5 inches by 8.75 inches. So I ended up picking up 4 of these. I wish I had these at Christmas time when I did my curio. I wouldn't have had such a mess to clean up. And then I think I picked up, I believe I did, this is a goldfinch decoration. One of the little birds I have for decoration. So this is mostly spring stuff. Well, I see one other thing that's not. But anyway, I picked up me another set of latex grip gloves. These are the purple ones. So I thought these were pretty. I ended up throwing away 2 of my gloves that were pretty much used up, had holes in it. And this is the blue pair. So I got those. And then I picked up this twist tie with cutter. Now I saw this because it was a double pack. But I used this also at Christmas time. Because it's good for tying ornaments on your tree so they don't fall off. Another thing that was garden was, I thought this was a good deal. 30 spikes of the Joe's fertilizer spikes. So I can use them for my plants at work and also any plants that I may have on my patio maybe. And this is foaming mountain tape, 25% more free. It's 0.75 inch by 7.5 feet. So this can always come in handy for something, I'm sure. And then because of my dogs, I picked up this Essentials as a bonus travel. It's a lint roller. So it has a little small travel one with it. So I got that. And let's see, what else? A couple more things. Here is the little birdie. And I got this. I want to paint this And then if I do paint it, I'll show you how it turns out. I saw other people hauling this, so of course I thought I had to get it. But I thought it was nice, and it's really, it's a good quality. I'm surprised. And it doesn't quite feel like particle board, but I believe that's what it is. And then the last thing I got, I normally don't buy stickers, but I thought these were really pretty, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them, but I may give them away to somebody. But look at all the pretty ones on here. Okay guys, that's all I picked up from the last trip for this trip. So let me know what you want, what type of videos you'd like to see from me. But like I said, I did one the other day for winter cleanup in the garden, so we're getting ready for that. So I'll be showing some of that. But if you like just Dollar Trees, just cooking, just decorating, just let me know, and I will try to do some of those videos. So take care, and don't forget, peace and chicken grease, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.